students, we successfully completed the first term, right? Now we are moving to the second term, and the second term first portion is sixth lesson, which means it is a poem, The Ant Explorer. See, The Ant Explorer, it is a poem. Okay, what is mean by ant? We all know the ant, right? Erumbu, right? And also explorer. What is mean by explorer? Explorer means nothing. It can go inspect, okay, different place, which means a person who explores a new or unfamiliar area. We can go to one new place and search for new things, right? It is explorer. Okay, see here, read the page number 54. Read the title of the poem and answer the following questions. Who is an explorer? From the title you want to find the answer for this question. Who is an explorer here? Yes, the ant explorer, which means here ant is the thing, insect, right? So it is the explorer here. What is the answer for first question? Ant. An ant is the explorer. Next, second one. What do you think the poem will be about? What are you thinking? The title is The Ant Explorer. What the part will come? What is the topic? What is the remaining thing will come? What will the poem is about? What? Like this we can think, right? It is about the ant. The ant is going to some places. What are the places he is going? That we are going to see now. Okay, now let me move to the poem. Let us read a poem about an ant who goes on an exploration. Exploration means, already I told, a person who can go unfamiliar area. Okay, go to the different places. Okay, see here. Once a little sugar ant made up his mind to roam. One small ant is here. He want to, we can say he, okay. He want to go some places. He want to move around some places. Okay, little sugar ant. What is mean by little sugar ant? It means nothing. Ant can like sugar, right? In our house, if we keep the sugar, means there is full of ant. Take one pieces and go into the house, right? Yes, like this. Here is one ant. It is a sugar eating ant, sweet eating ant. Okay. Made up his mind to roam. He set his mind to roam. He want to go different places. Like that he set his mind. To far away, far away, far away from home. What is the meaning for this? Yes, he want to go to the distance place. Okay, not to the near to the home, not near to the home. He want to go from the distance. Okay, he want to move from the home. That is his wish. He had eaten all his breakfast and he had his mass constant. It is a morning time, so he is taking his breakfast. Okay, the ant is taking his breakfast. The stomach full, he had eat next, and he had his mass consent. What is mean by consent? See here, consent means permission. If we want to go out from our home, means we want to get permission from our parents, right? Like this small ant is getting permission from his his mother. Ma means here mother. Getting permission from his mother, and he is getting ready to go out. To see what he should chance to see, and here's the way he went. He is now thinking, I want to see that place, this place, wherever place I want to go. Just distance from the home. Like that he is thinking. Up and down a friend, round and round a stone. First place. What is the first place he is going? Up and down a fern friend. Fern friend means nothing. See here, friend. Friend means leaf or leaf-like part. Leaf or leaf-like part. Which means, see here, it is the leaf, right? It is one leaf. Like this, okay, this leaf like structure, the ant is moving through this leaf like structure, frond. Okay, see here, up and down a fern frond, round and round a stone. First the ant is moving through this frond, next he is going round and round stone, right? Stones are here, round and round he is going. First he is going through the fern frond, next he is going through the round and round the stone. And next one, down a gloomy gully. See here, gully means small valley formed by a fast flowing stream of water, which means it look like the lake, right? Airy. Okay, see here, this like this. This two sides is full of land, in between there is a water. So see, gully means small valley formed by a fast flowing stream of water. In this area the ant is walking, right, going, and where he loathed to be alone, up a mighty mountain range 7 inches high. 7 inches. 1 inch means like this, right? 7 inch means, okay, we can take it as this size. Only this size, but for the ant it looks like a mountain because it is small ant, right? See here, 7 inch like this. Okay, well, like this the soil is kept in one place. It looks like the mountain for an ant because ant is small, right? So it is moving in the 7 inches mountain. According to the perspective of an ant, it looks like a mountain, but it is a small sand, right? A group of sand, right? Okay, now up a mighty mountain range 7 inches high, through the fearful forest grass that nearly hit the sky, which means now the first the ant is going in the water, yes, firm frond. Next it is going round and round a stone. Then he is going in the stream, gully, gloomy gully. Then he is going in the what? Yes, 7 inches mountain. Now the ant is going in the fearful forest. Fearful forest means it is look like a forest, and the grass in the area, some grasses are there, right? Like this grasses. Okay, the area full of grasses. Now the ant is entering in this area. All the grasses are look like very tall, and it look like it is going to touch the sky. Like this the ant is feeling. All the grass are going to touch the sky. Like that the forest is very fearful. Fearful means bayangarama adarthiya irukkudu. Okay. Out along a bracken bridge, bending in the moss. Bracken means, see here, bracken, a large fan. Bracken means a leaf, right? Okay, see here, one leaf is like this and other leaf is like this. See, it is just like a bridge, right? We can go this and go this way. So it is like a bridge for an ant. This two fern is mingled and it's just like a bridge. See here, out along a bracken bridge, bending in the moss. Moss, what is the meaning for moss? Small plants that grow in wet soil or at rocks. Yes, in the rock or in the wetland, there is some grasses are there, right? So that is small plants, that is like the what broken bridge for the ant. And next one, till he reached a dreadful desert that was feet and feet across. Now he is going to the desert. We all know the desert, right? What is mean by desert? Palaivanam. Okay, well, it is full of sand. Now the ant is going to the desert. It is full of sand. Okay, what are the places the ant can move? First, it go through the fen friend. During the fen, he is walking. Then he going to the round and round stone. In the stone, round and he is going. Then he is going in a gloomy gully in the stream area. Okay, next he is going in the 7 inches mountain. Then he is going in the fearful forest that is full of grass, that all the grasses are looks like to touch the sky. Okay, next he is going in the broken bridge. Broken bridge means here two fen or join, it's look like a bridge for the ant. Next he is going to the desert. What is happening in the desert? Let me see. 'Twas a dry, deserted desert and a trackless land to tread, which means now the ant is here. There is no way in the desert, full of sand. Where he want to go, he don't know. So he get and also the sun is very hot in the desert. There is no water, right? So it is very hot. So now the ant is walking. Trackless land to tread, he wished that he was home again and tucked up tight in bed. Now the ant is thinking. Why he is thinking? Because the sun is very hot. There is no way. The ant get very tired, and now the ant is thinking, shall we go to our home? It is too hot. I am not able to walk. I am very tired. Like that the ant is thinking, and now the ant is thinking, I want to tuck up in my bed, tuck up tight in bed, which means I want to go to my bed and I want to sleep. I want to take a bed sheet and kept it on my, like that he is thinking. His little legs were wobbly, his strength was nearly spent. Wobbly means unsteady, okay? Walk and coming, right? All this place he is walk and coming, so his legs get very tired. How the ant's leg look like? Yes, it is very small, it is very minute, it is very tiny, right? So it's get very tired, unsteady, it is shivering. That ant is not able to stand also, it is shivering, right? His strength was nearly spent, all his strength is spent because there is so hot in the desert. Now, and so he turned around again, and here's the way he went. Now he decided, okay, hereafter we are not able to stay here. We can go back to our home. Okay, enough our explore, right? That he is thinking and going back to home. How he can come like that way only he can go again, right? So see here, back away from desert lands, feet and feet across, which means here it is moving, then it turns again and going back to the next area. Back along the broken bridge, bending in the moss. Then he is going to the broken bridge. Okay, now next, through the fearful forest grass shutting out the sky. Then he is going to the grass, that fearful forest, that grass is touching the sky, like that his appearance, right? It is going to that area. Next, up a mighty mountain range 7 inches high. Then it is going to the Where? Yes, 7 inches high mountain. Then down a gloomy gully where he loathed to be alone. Now he is going to the gloomy gully. In the stream he is walking. Then up and down a fern frame and round a stone. Then he is going in the round and round stone. Then he is going to the, yes, fen from to the beginning, yes, to where the ants start the explore. He went there now. First he goes like this and come to the desert. Then he go back again to the where? Yes, where he start the journey. He went there now. Okay, now down up and down a fern frame and round a stone. A dreary ant, a weary ant. A dreary means unhappy or discouraged. Yes, he think that I want to see many places, I want to go the unfamiliar places, I want to see a lot. Like that he think and he started his journey. But for the failure of the ant, he is unhappy now because his plan has spoiled, right? Yes, he is not able to survive in the desert. So all the plan is spoiled, so he came back. So dreary means it is unhappy or discouraged. Now he get discouraged. Resolved no more to roam. Now he is thinking, no, hereafter we not want to go anywhere. Like that he is thinking. He staggered up the garden path and popped back home. Now see here, staggered. Staggered means walked with difficulty. He goes a lot of places and got very tired and he walked with difficulty. He not able to walk itself. He is walking and coming to the his own area. This poem is written by C.J. Dennis. This poem is written by C.J. Dennis. C.J. Dennis. Okay students, I hope you all clear about the poem. See here, first the ant walk through the fern frame, next round and round stone, next he can go to the gloomy gully, next 7 inches mountain, then he can move to the fearful forest which the grasses touch the sky, next he can go to the Bracken Bridge which means a fern which is joined, next he is going to the desert. At last he got tired and he can came back again to the home, right? This is the poem because he was not able to survive through this heat and everything. Okay. Okay, now your homework is this synonyms. You want to learn and write the synonyms. Thank you students.